Hello students, I am Krishna from My Team Wisdom. In the today's video, we will learn about electricity. This is the topic from CBSE class 10. In CBSE class 10 in chapter 12 in NCERT book you will get this. And in this lesson you will learn first 2 pages content. The first 2 pages content and how to read this content and what are the possible questions on this and how to solve the problems on this will be discussed. And before that, see in first 2 pages what is the content available. Just see once first. In first page you will see about electric current and circuit. Regarding electric current and circuit, some matter will be given on this, and regarding these 2 points will be discussed. What is electric current and what is electric circuit will be discussed. And after that, if you see in the first page itself, you will find about a direction of current will be discussed, and in the second page you will get mathematical equation regarding electric current and how to solve the problems on this will be discussed, and some important charge of an electron and what are the number of electrons for each coulomb will be discussed. And after that, some example questions will be discussed, example problem will be discussed, and after that 3 questions will be given, and these 3 questions also will be discussed. So this is in first 2 pages you will get this content. Okay, in the first 2 pages this is the content, and these 2 pages content will be covered in this class. So in this class you will learn electric current and what is electric circuit and what is the direction of current and problems on this, and what are the type of questions. So what are the type of questions will be asked will be discussed. Electric current and circuit. If electric charge flows through a conductor, we can say there is a electric current in the conductor. If electric charge flows through a conductor, we can say there is a electric current in the conductor. You see, if air is flowing, for example, if air is flowing from one point to another point, one position to another position, air is flowing like this, then we can say it is air current. And if water is flowing in a canal, for example, if water is flowing, what we can say it is a water current. In this, if electric charges are flowing in a conductor, we can say it is a electric current. If electric charges are flowing in a conductor, we can say it is a electric current. Electric charges will flow in which one? It will flow in metallic wire. In metals, electric current will flow. If air flows, we can say it is a air current. If water flows, we can say it is a water current. If electric charges flow in a conductor, we can say it is a electric current. Hope you understood. Okay. So if you ask me the definition how to write in exam, you can write this: amount of charge flowing through a particular area in a unit time. Amount of charge flowing through a particular area in a unit time. Or you can simply write it is the rate of flow of electric charges. Simply you can write this. What is electric current? If they ask you, you can write amount of charge flowing through a particular area in a unit time, or rate of flow of electric charges. You can write like this. Okay, if take any conductor, for example, this is a conductor, this is the cross section of a conductor. If amount of charge, this is amount of charge, that is Q, amount of charge flowing through a particular area in a unit time. In this particular area it is flowing in given time. So what you can say it is a current. Amount of charge flowing through a particular area in a unit time is called as current. That you can say I equal to Q by T. Or you can say simply rate of flow of electric charges. Rate of flow of electric charges is nothing but a electric current. After that you can write I equals to Q by T, that is current equal to charge per unit time. And after that you can write if net charge Q flows through any cross section of a conductor in a time T, then current I through a cross section is I equals to Q by T. Okay, if net charge Q, for example, this is a cross section of conductor. If net charge Q is flowing, net charge Q flows across any cross section of conductor in time T, it is flowing in this. Okay, then what we can say, how much current is flowing? We can say I equal to Q by T. Same, after the electric current definition, you have to write this statement and write the I equal to Q by T. After that, write the units for electric current. SI units of electric charge is coulomb, and SI units of electric current is amperes. You write that. Okay, SI units of electric charge is coulombs and SI units of electric current is ampere. Just write that. So this is about the electric current. And now see the what is electric circuit. So what is electric circuit, you can see now. A continuous, what is electric circuit? A continuous and closed path of electric current is called an electric circuit. A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called as electric circuit. You can see the diagram regarding electric circuit. It's a diagram regarding electric circuit. In this, what is happening? Cell, electric bulb, ammeter and plug key. See, this is a cell. Okay. For example, if two batteries, for example, this is one battery and this is another battery connected in series. Okay. Another battery connected in series. This is plus and this is minus. Two batteries connected. If two batteries connected like this, you can say two cells are connected here. These two cells are connected in series. So this is one battery. From this battery, this is the bulb. Okay. This bulb and this cells, this battery connected with a link, that is called wire. This is wire between this bulb and the battery, and after that this is the ammeter and this is a switch. And what is the definition given regarding electric circuit? A continuous and closed path of electric current. A continuous, from this positive terminal, electric current started here, it is passing through bulb and again flowing like this and continuing and passing through this ammeter, and after that it is entering to switch, and after that it is entering to negative terminal. Okay. A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called as electric circuit. A continuous and a closed path of a electric current is called as electric circuit. In this continuous path, if switch is open, then what happens? It becomes discontinuous. The circuit is discontinuous, so electric current will not flow continuously. Okay. Circuit is open. If circuit closed, then only current will pass. Regarding electric circuit, after writing this definition, just draw the circuit diagram. Okay. Regarding electric circuit, you can observe in torchlight. In torchlight, what happens? Cells will be connected in series. You know that the battery, when placed in proper order, those cells will be connected in series and provide the flow of charges or electric current through torch bulb to glow. We have also seen that torch gives light only if the switch is on. Okay, what does switch do? A switch makes conducting link between cell and the bulb. What it is making? The switch is making a conducting link between cell and the bulb. Okay. So what we can say simply, a typical electric circuit consisting of cell, electric bulb, ammeter and the plug key. Okay, if they ask you what is the minimum electric circuit contains, mainly cell, electric bulb, ammeter is extra one, we can say is a plug key. These three are mandatory. Okay, cell, electric bulb and plug key. Minimum 3 elements is enough for building a circuit. Okay. So in this, electric current flows from positive terminal of the cell to negative terminal of the cell through bulb and the ammeter. Electric current flows from positive terminal of the cell to negative terminal of the cell via bulb and ammeter. So regarding direction of the electric current, you can see regarding direction of electric current was considered to be the flow of positive charges. That is, the direction of flow of positive charges was taken as to be a direction of electric current. Okay. So conventionally, what we can say? Conventionally, in electric circuit, the direction of electric current is taken as opposite to the direction of flow of electrons, which are negative charges. Very important, this one. So in electric circuit, the direction of electric current is taken as opposite to the direction of flow of electrons, which are negative charges. Okay. If you consider, for example, any circuit, for example, this is the battery and this is the cell. Okay. This is the cell from positive terminal to negative terminal. Okay. Current is flowing here. So what happens from positive terminal to negative terminal? So current is flowing from negative terminal to positive terminal. What happens? Electrons will flow. Electrons will flow from negative terminal to positive terminal. Okay. In this direction, electrons will flow. But current direction is clockwise direction. This from positive terminal to negative terminal, current will flow. So conventionally in electric circuit, the direction of electric current is taken as opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. Initially, electrons are flowing in this anti-clockwise direction. So for this direction, opposite electric current will flow. Okay. Here electrons will flow from negative terminal. From this, electrons will flow from negative terminal to positive terminal. Electrons will flow. Okay, in this direction. In this direction, electrons will flow, and the current direction is like this. Okay, current direction is from positive terminal to negative terminal. Current direction is from positive terminal to negative terminal. Electron direction is from negative terminal to positive terminal. Here current direction is opposite to the direction of electron flow direction. Okay. And regarding problems, this is important. What is the charge of an electron? Charge of an electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. One charge of an electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. This is negative. Okay. Negative, generally we will take magnitude here. So if they ask you for 1 coulomb of charge, how many electrons are there? For 1 coulomb of charge, how many electrons are there? That is 6 into 10 power 18 electrons. On an average, 6 into 10 power 18 electrons will be there. So if you do 1 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, you will get per coulomb how many electrons, you will get that. Okay. So regarding problem calculation, what is the 1 milliampere? That is 10 power minus 3 amperes, and for 1 microampere, 10 power minus 6 amperes. So instrument used for measuring electric current is ammeter. So you can see example problem. A current of 0.5 amperes is drawn from a filament of electric bulb for 10 minutes. Find the amount of electric charge that flows through a circuit. Okay. So what he has given? Electric current given, that is I equals to 0.5 amperes given, and electric bulb for time period given, that is 10 minutes given. So just convert into seconds. What you get? That is 10 into 60, that is 600 seconds. And find the amount of electric charge is asking Q value. So you know that relation. So I equals to Q by T. Electric current formula, charge per unit time. So based on this, what you can write? Charge equals to current into time period. So what is the current value given? That is 0.5. 0.5 into, that is 600. So what you will get? 1 0 will be cancelled for this point. 60 into 5, that is 300. What is the 300? Units are amount of charge is asking. Amount of charge is asking. So units will be coulombs. So 300 coulombs. So amount of charge that flows through a circuit is 300 coulombs. And after that you can see this. What does an electric circuit mean? What does an electric circuit mean? A continuous and closed path of electric current. A continuous, you already have seen, a continuous and closed path of a continuous and closed path of a electric current. A continuous and closed path of a electric current is called as electric circuit. A continuous and closed path of a electric current, you write electric current here, is called as electric circuit. And after the next question you can see, and after this you can write the, you can draw the circuit. Okay, after writing the definition, you draw the circuit. A continuous and closed path of electric current is called as electric circuit, and draw the circuit diagram. And second question, define the unit of current. What is the unit of current? Unit of current is 1 ampere. Unit of current is ampere. So he is asking to define this ampere. So 1 amp can be written as, what you can say, I equal to Q by T. So based on that, current units is amperes. So charge units is what? Charge units is coulomb per second. Okay, that is a coulomb per second, you can say. For example, 1 coulomb of charge, for example, in this conductor, in this cross section of this conductor, if 1 coulomb of charge is passing through this cross section of conductor in 1 second, you can say it is a 1 ampere. 1 coulomb of charge is passing through this cross section of conductor in 1 second, then we can say 1 ampere current is flowing. Okay, so what's the definition? If 1 ampere current, if 1 coulomb of charge is passing through a conductor in 1 second, we can say 1 ampere current is flowing. So like that you can write the definition for this. You write 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second, and after that write the definition. 1 coulomb of charge is flowing through a cross section of conductor in 1 second, then we can say 1 ampere current is flowing. Okay, and after this you can see, calculate the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. So this one you can see, third one. So calculate the number of electrons is asking, and 1 coulomb of charge given. So regarding this question, you know charge of an electron, that is charge Q equals to Ne, you can write, that is number of electrons into charge of an electron. In this he is asking number of electrons, that is N value is asking. N equals to Q by E. So how many charges here? Only 1 coulomb of charge given. So that is 1 by, what is the charge of an electron? That is 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19. Just simplify this. can write like this. 1 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 10 can be written as 1.6 into 10 power minus 18. Okay, 10 power minus 1 you're sending to numerator, so 10 by 1.6. So then you will get, just cancel this, 16, 6 are 96, so 4 is remain, and 16 2s are 32, so 8 is remain, and 16 5s are 80. So 6.25 you are getting, that is 0.625, that is 0.625 you are getting. 6.25 only, that is 6.25 into how much you are getting, that is 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons. How many number of electrons? 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons you can say. Hope you understood. What the question given? Calculate the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. For 1 coulomb of charge, how many electrons are there? So n equal to q by e, just substitute here and you will get this answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you get any difficulty on this topic or if you want any other videos, please suggest in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Keep learning. Thank you.